All right, so today I am going to be changing this control panel on this LG dryer. The problem we've been having with this dryer is that everything turns on, everything everything works, right? Everything works. Only problem is when you go hit play, it doesn't work, and you have to sit there and you have to play with it. There you go, and you have to play with it. There you go. See how it stopped? There you go. So you have to play with this play button in order for it to make it keep running. So we're gonna replace this, and the first thing to do is there's a cover up here, and what you do is you unscrew the screws from the back. There's 3 screws in the back. You slide this top this right here, and then there's 2 screws. There's a screw on this corner and there's a screw on this corner here. You unscrew those and you can pull this out. So that's what we're going to do today, and we'll see how it goes. Here we go. So there's 1 screw there and the 1 screw over on the other side. I got those unscrewed. Never forget that you need to unhook the power in case you're doing any of this. And this works the same way for most of the LG dryers. You have to remove this top cover so that you can get to those 2 screws, and then you can pop it out. But once this is open, the next thing that we need to do is we need to unhook this harness. Right? We have to unhook this harness in order to get this out so we can work with it. So looking at this, we have a couple harnesses that we have to unhook. So now we got all of them. Now this should be just able to just pop out, and voila, there we go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all of this, place it onto the new panel and see how it works. Now, here's the panel that we just took out, and here's the new panel that we bought. I'll take this, place it over here, and see how it works. Okay, so now I got the guts out. And if you notice, so this is the new one. So when I'm messing with this, see how that right there is. So this is not brand new, obviously, because I got it from eBay. But then when you come to this one, look at how this one here, and you might have the same issue with some of the other buttons. But see how that one right there is broken? Right, and for some reason that was not. So when you push this, it makes it go on it makes it go up on an angle. See, it makes it go up on an angle instead of going straight in. And that's why you had to play with this here on the side to make this tab go straight, right? And it not always caught. So that was the issue that we're having. So when I put this here, when I replace this, everything should work. Everything should work like it was intended to. So I'm gonna leave this right here. You guys can take a look. Oh, let's see if we can put it right here. Right here. All right, so put this right here. Make sure everything lines up. That one lines up. And have that line up. I'm just gonna shorten the video so that you guys don't see me doing it. Oh, that feels so much better. All right, we're gonna go try this. We're gonna go install this and let's see how it works. I wound up having a problem with one of these connectors, and this connector right here, or this button right there, if you can see that, it's loose, right? So when I put this into this plastic board, yeah, everything fits, everything works, but the problem is that this button right here is loose. So the solder on the back is loose. So I had to go get myself my my welder here, soldering tool. And we're gonna try to replace this. We're gonna try to fix it. See what that does. Turn this off. We're gonna check this, and hopefully that does the trick. That's that. We're gonna try to put this back in. And see what that did for us. There we go, make it snap. Okay, so the first time around when I put this back in, everything worked. The power button worked, this beeper worked, that right there worked, everything worked. Except for this button. So I put everything together, the button still didn't work. So what wound up happening is that I had to put some solder behind this button because after doing a lot of pressure to it, that solder broke, right? So I had to resolder it. So that right there. There you go. Your buttons work. That one works. That works. And then, boom, everything works. And that is how you replace an LG dryer control panel. It's music to my ears.